welcome back, guys. Happy Thursday, happy Supreme Day. Anyway, I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Anti-Social Social Club that was collaborate with the Gran Turismo back in December 9th of 2017. So let's go ahead and then pop this open, guys. So let's see. Oh my god. This one is the black colorway. The Anti-Social Social Club bag. The Anti-Social Social tag. Made in USA, 100% cotton, polyester, extra large. Oh, look at this. Wow, nice, nice. Got this tissue paper on the back. Anti-Social Social Club on the back, and then on the left arm you got this Gran Turismo, the real driving simulator. And then on the right hand side at the sleeve you got this last time 747. And for those viewers out there, I'm not sure what this says in Korean. And you got this Korea flags right here. Pretty soft and nice material, guys. So yeah. Ooh, got this Anti-Social Social Club tag. Made in USA. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video, guys. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and then turn on that bell for notification, and drop any comments on below. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out, and stay tuned for the try on video. Peace. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna do a try on for you guys real quick for this Anti-Social Social Club Turismo.
Here we go.